guys, we went hunting this afternoon. Seen a little bit of activity. Couldn't get a shot on anything. But we're over here popping popcorn at my buddy's house. We got something on the camera here. Lone boar. He's been there 3 times this week. So I think what we're going to do. Is we're going to go ahead and catch him, rebait the trap tonight, reset it, and then get ready to catch some more. But we're fixing to drop the gates. All right, we got this thing recording right there. If you turn it sideways, you can see a little bigger picture. So I'm gonna look for eyeballs. I'm not seeing anything in the background. We got some coons right here, and they're not gonna like it when the gates drop. But y'all want to see this happen?
You finna drop it?
I'm finna drop it.
You still standing in there?
He's still in there.
Let's watch it.
All right.
Come here, Michelle.
Coons are still coming in. All right. So to activate the gates, you got to be in this position. You swipe this over, hit that little icon, and when you hit manual, the gates are going to drop. Y'all ready? Watch this. Madness. Madness. Bam! Oh, he didn't hit it. What's wrong? All right, we're going to lock it. Look at the coons trying to get out.
I don't think he knows he's.
Yeah, not really.
I don't think he knows he's trapped quite yet.
All right, my notifications keep going off. Watch him be a jumper. Jump out that thing. He's not crazy big, but he's been a lone boar. He's been there 3 times this week by himself. So we're gonna go ahead and get rid of him. That baby coon in there still don't know what to do. Man, he's like, nah. He's like, what's going on? It ain't never happened to me before. All right. So we got some business to go take care of now.
I'm recording.
So I'm out here warming the tractor up, checking on the burn pile, and just sitting here looking how we're gonna lay the house out. Got a few more trees over here to take you out for the shop. Deer right there, just paying no attention to me. They know I'm here. So they're feeding along the edge of the creek. She's literally looking at me right now. Yeah. Anyways. Well, we ended up killing that boar last night, got him cleaned up out of the way, and we put the more corn in the hog trap, and now we are waiting for another group. We really need to move the trap, but they're still hunting, and where I need to move would be right on top of one of their deer stands to catch a pretty big sounder. We've got some more things to do. We're going to be taking off here in about 2 weeks, and we're gonna do some more hunting. And I still don't have a camera to zoom in, just like now. I wish I had a camera I could zoom in on this deer. She's just walking through the woods. She's grazing on acorns. Guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Y'all stick with us, subscribe, hit our like button, share it, be part of our family, and we'll see you on the next video.